Shiba Inu Coin is getting ready to break out massively. Here's why. What is going on, guys? Kyle with Finance Bro back with another video, guys. If you guys want to get a free stock with Public, hit our link down in the description below. We're on Public right now, and as you can see, they do have Shiba Inu on their platform if you guys want to start trading that on their platform. And of course, follow us on there as well. You guys can do that all with the link down in the description below. Not only when you sign up for that link and deposit $1, that's right, only $1, you guys will get a free stock when you do that, but you also obviously can follow us on there and keep up to date with what we're buying, what we're selling, and what we're talking about in both the stock and the cryptocurrency markets, guys. Real quick too, for the rest of this video, guys, make sure to comment down below how many Shiba Inu tokens you guys are holding. Let me know if you guys are still holding Shiba Inu, if you're with it for life, if you're dropping the coin, if you're done with it, whatever your opinion is. I want to hear it. I want to see it because you guys have some really great takes down in the comments a lot of times, and we love seeing them. We love responding to them. And of course, we sometimes pin a comment if it's got some good stuff in it, you know, so you guys can get a little free clout there if you guys want. So either way, comment down below, guys. Let us know what's going on. Make sure to like the video as well, guys. Likes help this channel quite a bit, especially with every video. Make sure to get this video to 300 likes, guys. You guys kill it with a like goal every time I set one. And I'm just incredibly appreciative of everything you guys do as the Shiba Inu army, the Shiba Inu community, and of course, as watchers of this channel. It is so incredibly amazing, the things that you guys do. But let's talk Shiba Inu. Sorry about that long intro there real quick, guys. So as you can see here, we're down just about 5%, unfortunately, on the day here. We're getting to the point where we might slip below the 3 or the 4 level rather and go into the 3 level. That being said, if we take a quick look here on some technical analysis here on TradingView, as you can see, there might be some interesting movement here, right? And what I mean by interesting movement is the fact that, you know, we looked bullish, right? We looked really, really bullish the last couple of days, or a couple of days ago, I should say, after this huge push towards the upside. But then unfortunately, it looks like we had some whale movement, right? We had some huge whale sells right here. These red candles are indicative of that. You know, more than likely, those are whales selling out of their positions, unfortunately. And that likely is causing a little bit of a downward push towards the downside. Now, that being said, guys, we are testing a new low here. We have unfortunately broke past that previous low, which isn't, you know, the greatest sign. I won't sit here and lie to you. I won't say that that is amazing for short term. You know, for the short-term things, right? If you're looking at this from a short-term perspective, as far as Shiba Inu goes, that's not obviously the greatest thing in the world, but let me dispel some of your worries. Let me basically debunk what I just said, saying that it's the worst thing ever, because I'm going to show you guys one of my favorite tools with trading. This is short-term, right? So if you're a trader of Shiba Inu, you're buying in on the lows, you're selling at the highs. That's typically what you're probably doing with Shiba Inu, but I'm more of a long-term investor in my strategy and the way that I approach this coin. But that being said, I want to cater to all of our audiences, whether you guys are trading, long-term holding, whatever you're doing. Again, want to make sure I cover all my bases. So here we are with this. This is the RSI tool, right? If you're not familiar with the RSI, most of you probably are, but if you aren't, the RSI tells you if something is overbought or oversold, right? Down here where my cursor is, as you can see, this is the 30 level, so to speak. This is the 70 level. These are the two levels. If it's up at the 70 level, that means the stock or the cryptocurrency is overbought, meaning that there are a lot of buyers in the market. It's green, it's going up, things are good. And when it's down here at the 30 level where my cursor is, that means it's oversold, right? It means that basically the crypto or stock, whatever you're looking at, is oversold. Too many people are selling it and it's really oversold. As you can see, what happens here with the RSI, it's very indicative, usually not always. This can usually not, sometimes, okay, I want to obviously make this very clear. Sometimes the RSI is not the perfect indicator to use, but you can tell sometimes when a crypto is going to either go down or go up by using the RSI tool. So for instance, when it goes above the 70 level, typically that means, wow, it's like really hot right now. The RSI is super high. I'm not going to buy at this level, right? I think I'm going to sell whatever I have and wait for a better deal, because obviously it's very overbought. There's a lot of people buying it right now. I'm going to pull back and not follow the trend of the herd, right? And then as you can see here, that happened here. Right there where the RSI spiked above that line. This is where the RSI spiked. And of course, after that, we had this downtrend that we're experiencing now. And then if you look here where we're at the current, literally at the time of making this video, the RSI is now spiking below the 30 level, guys, which is a huge indicator, because look in the past what has happened when we've had similar instances, right? Here was the first time we saw, look how low the RSI is right here again, and then it bounced right back right after that, guys. Again, we can even pull back on kind of the larger time frames here. Look at when the RSI is low, guys. guys, we always tend, not always, but we typically, very often, more often than not, see a bounce back towards the upside on these lows on the RSI. And it's really fascinating to see this tool being used by traders. And of course, you guys, obviously, you guys probably can make use of this tool as well in TradingView. And it's just really, really cool to see this kind of stuff either way in use, guys. Now, again, my long-term hold, I guess, status or ideology about this coin remains in place. I'm still very bullish. I'm more bullish than I've ever been before, guys. Again, I'm holding long-term. I'm buying on the dips. And guess what, guys? I'm buying. I'm buying right now, guys, because right now we're hitting new lows, right? We're getting down there. I'm buying. I'm getting those deals. I'm buying up the dips. And hey, if it dips further, I'm going to buy more. Again, I have a long-term vision with this coin, guys. This is something that I see myself holding for a very long extended period of time until it hits the appropriate price targets that I expect it to hit. And this isn't something that I'm going to sell out on a few minor dips or even major dips, really. This is something that I have diamond hands with. I'm holding long-term. And I would love to know in the comments below if you guys are doing that too, right? Let me know where your guys' headspace is at, how you guys feel, what you guys feel. Again, it's always awesome to see the community rally together and support each other, especially when we're having dips like this. Again, it gets scary. If people are new to the markets, whether it's cryptocurrency, stocks, whatever it is, if you guys are new, some of you guys are probably scared. And I would really appreciate if the comments below, if you guys help each other out and build that community that we all know and love, guys. But other than that, guys, again, whales are still kind of moving the market. Whales aren't doing a lot of buying right now. Again, I think that will change soon because the whales do like good dips, good deals like this. So we could see a new whale push for this. But either way, guys, we're going to keep it locked here. We're going to make sure that you get the latest and up-to-date information on Shiba Inu Coin and everything going on in between with it, guys. But other than that, guys, that is all I have for you guys today. I'm Kyle with Finance Bro. Take it easy.